Hi and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about the Excel creator, which I use with JSON. I made this tool because I did a lot of testing in my job and it's long. It takes forever to do the little Excel and fill all the little cases. And I wanted to show you a little bit of what we can do if we use AI at the same time. So first of all, you can copy the prompt here and then open ChatGPT. Once you open ChatGPT, you can place the prompt. And I made a demo of, let's imagine, a documentation of an application. We're going to stop here. Like, we don't need everything, I guess. I'll take all this. Let's imagine it's all your documentation and all the feature that you have to do. If you want, you can add more information here. There's no problem with that. But let's copy it, and it's going to generate us a big JSON that then I'm going to be able to put back in the application right there. The idea also is that this tool, of course, takes some time to generate. It makes sense, but it will always take less time than what we would have done, that's for sure. But it also gives you the chance, so while it's generating, you can do the other task, think about the strategy more than just like doing the groundwork where you have to do one cell after the other after the other. And so it took around 1 minute, 1.5 minutes maybe, and I have a JSON. So I'm gonna copy the JSON. I already did it, but I want to show you. And then you can paste it here. If you see, you don't see enough of your Excel, you can also shrink it right there. But the idea is that now you have a little Excel here. But let's imagine you don't like it yet. You're not like you're not fan yet. Well, you can keep iterating like this. You can tell him, well, I would like more detail. Would you like you to add more? Or those, cut the step maybe. I'm gonna do a little bit and show you what's possible. So the ChatGPT just finished generating 34 tests. So now I'm gonna copy it. It took a bit more time, maybe 3 minutes maximum, I would say 2. And then I can just place it here. And let's see if I like it. So first of all, 34. It would have taken me a long time, of course. Maybe the columns are not good enough for you, and that's okay. And that's where you can tell ChatGPT, I need this, I need that, could you add this, could you add that? But the idea is that it saves you so much time. If you don't like some stuff, you can tell ChatGPT, improve on it, but you just have to copy paste. You have a prompt right here, which is just made for you. You open ChatGPT and you're done. It's very useful. I use it a lot. You can imagine, because those type of stuff, sometimes we have to spend, without exaggeration, like a week sometimes, because you have so much back and forth and we don't have an idea, and sometimes we have to finish something and then redo it because we didn't finish something, we had to add another column, whatever. So yeah, I hope that this tool helps you. I love it. I'm very happy I made it. It's very useful for me. I hope it's the same for you. I wish you the best, and don't hesitate to reach me out, and we'll try to do something if you want to improve the tool, whatever. So I love you. I wish you the best, and here's a download button if you need, and I see you soon.